Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my sew sampler in from Fat Quarter Shop. Gosh, time is flying by, isn't it, you guys? It's already almost the end of September. It's just crazy. So let's see what we got. It says Life is Sweet. That's the front cover. And let's see. So we have this little sampler here. Okay, so we have a piece of debris, maybe? Magnetic seam guide. So let's see what that is. Okay, so that is a value of $4.98, and it's easy to use. It can be used on most sewing machines with metal parts. Simply measure and place it on the throat plate along your desired seam allowance parallel to the presser foot, and you're ready to sew. Okay, so what I've noticed and this, oh cool, new seam ripper, is that this is an ergonomic seam ripper, and its value is $4.98. Is that what I've noticed the most is that this is my third box, right? And it seems like, just my opinion only, that some of the older boxes have really a lot of stuff in them, and that they started going maybe a little bit less now. I like that. That's really a nice grip. It's really a nice tip. That's a really nice one. I love that. That's pretty cool. And so now you used to get a lot of stuff, and that's only my observation, and a thimble pad, and now you're not as much. And so I'm kind of sad about that. $8.48 is the value of this, and so I'm not sure what I want to do. Yeah, I'm just not sure what I should do. This is you can't, it is, let's see, it is a block of the month. This is number 6, so that has to be kept secret because it's a pattern. And then you have Sweet as Honey quilt pattern. This is a really nice one. I like that one. It's finished size 38 by 49.5, so that's really nice. This value is $9.98, and that block is a value of $4.98. They sell those patterns for $5 a piece, so it seems a little steep, but I don't know. And then last we get this. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a block of the month paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 things, and it's, I believe it's $31.95 or $40. I can't remember exactly. And it's a layer cake, and this value right here is $20. So it's Riley Blake Daisy Fields by Bev McCullough, 18 pieces, 10-inch stacker. So yeah, so if anyone has been a long-time subscriber of them, can you tell me what you think? You know, does it seem like you used to get a lot and now you're getting a little? I wonder why that is. I kind of wonder what it is. So yeah, it's still fun. It's still fun, but you know, I just don't like the fact that, you know, you pay so much money and it's not like a fun box, you know, like too fun. Like if I missed this, I'd be okay with it, you know. That I don't like that for the amount of money we have to pay. So that's all. Sorry, doggies are gonna go crazy. Okay, so anyways, that's it for this month. This is September's box, so we'll see. We'll keep going, and I don't know. All right, guys, take care. Bye.